Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ninja SLUSHI. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Now, let me start off by saying this. This is not a sponsored video, and this is not going to be a full review. I just want to test this out and see if it actually works. Now, if you like what you see, make sure you buy it from Ninja's website. It's $300. If you go on Craigslist or OfferUp or eBay, people are buying them from Ninja and jacking up the price. And the reason they're doing that is because every time you go to Ninja's website, you're going to see it's out of stock. But if you like it, just scroll down, put your email in, and join the waiting list. It's going to take a couple of days. You're going to get an email. Make sure you buy it immediately because it's going to sell out right away. I've been on that waiting list 4 times, and I finally got one. Now, one more side note, I'll leave a link for a couple of videos that I watched earlier. If you want to learn some good recipes or a more in-depth review, I'll show you where to watch it. Okay, like I said, $300 on this one. Let's go through some of the features. You got slush, spike slush. Okay, y'all know I like to spike up. You got frappes or frap, whatever y'all want to pronounce it. You got milkshakes and frozen juice. Now, what's the difference between this and a blender? This does not use ice. What does that mean? Whatever recipe you make, now I plan on making these, no ice, so you're not going to water it down. Not to mention, this will stay cool for 12 hours. Okay, so I can make a bunch of these, put them in a slushie, and let it run, and they'll stay cold for 12 hours. That's kind of crazy. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it looks like. All right, so inside the box, you get the Ninja SLUSHI, you get a quick start guide, some recipes, and your warranty information. Now, as far as the quick start guide, it's going to show you all of the pieces, which easily disassemble and they're dishwasher safe. You got your directions and some more recipes. Now, one thing to pay attention with the directions, you have to use a drink that has sugar. So you can't make a water slushie, okay? You can't use diet soda. You're going to have to add sugar to your mixes. All right, so here's the Ninja SLUSHI from the side. Now, here's your container right here. You just open this up. Pour the liquid in the top, close it back, let it spin. When it's done, you're going to pour it like this. Now let me spin it around to the front. Now in the front, if you look closely, you got your power button, you got your different settings. So you got slush, spike slush, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, and rinse. That's when you want to clean the unit. On the other side, you got your temperature controls. Now, this is going to be my first time using this, so I'm going to disassemble it and clean all of the parts. So you got a little spill tray on the bottom. On the top, you just move that lever. This slides right out. Okay. It's going to be the mixer. This is your condenser. And another little tray right here to catch any condensation. So let's wash all this stuff off. All right, so everything is all set up. Now I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to select Spike Slush. It started spinning. I'm going to open this up. And let's add my liquid. Okay. Now, keep in mind, the minimum that you can have is up to 12 ounces. And the maximum is 64 ounces. So I'm going to drop in about 30 ounces. All right, so I added about 50 ounces of liquid. Now, if you look closely on the front, there's a little line that shows the minimum amount you could use, and then the maximum that you could use is a little bit higher than this. All right, now y'all can hear how loud this is. Not too crazy. I'm going to go downstairs, and I'm going to come back and exactly, let's see, what time is it now? Okay, it's 5:47. I'm going to come back in exactly 1 hour and check the progress. All right, check this out. Now, it's only been 30 minutes, and it's already slushified. Now, on a side note, I was watching some other videos in the meantime, and I seen somebody try to do a Coke Zero with no sugar. And this machine does have some intelligent features. If you try to put something in it without sugar, it's going to start freezing the condenser, and it's going to automatically shut off. So as you can see for yourself, though, look how slushy that looks. Okay, now that I like mine to be a little bit thicker, so I'm going to give it a little bit more time, and then we'll test it out. All right, check this out. Now, I'm one of those guys that never reads the book. I was just going to try to judge it visually by the consistency, but check this out. If you take it to the book, it says add liquids, okay? Press the power button to turn on, select the preset, okay? Unit will beep and LEDs will remain solid once frozen drink reaches the optimal temperature. So if you look at my LEDs right there, they're still flashing, but it's been gradually going up. So that means it's almost at the desired temperature. And let's see, let's check the time. Okay, 6:24. So under an hour. All right, so it just beeped. You see the lights are solid, and look at the time. So that's 50 ounces in under 1 hour. All right, so now for the moment of truth. Let me grab a little glass. Okay, so I got the margarita glass. I'm trying to be a little bit fancy. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that consistency. Hold up. Of course, I got to spill a little bit, but there's this little spill tray. Look at the consistency on this. Now, let me do a little taste. Hold up. I got to sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying not to get too hyped. Hold up, let me go. This is incredible. The consistency. Can y'all see that? Now, I don't need too nasty, but touch it with my finger. Look at that. That's actual slush. Let me take another little sip. The consistency is exactly like you would get it out of a store. Now, I'm trying to be fancy for this video with the margarita glass. I'm about to get the red cups, right, and go crazy. Would I recommend the Ninja Slushie over a blender? Without a doubt. You've seen it for yourself. All I have to do is go to the store, buy the prepackaged margaritas. Now, for my next video, when I do my next weekend update, I'm gonna go crazy with this. I'm gonna try to drop some Hennessy in there and some maybe some Red Bull or some Hennessy and some Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of concoctions. I'm gonna try everything out and I'll give y'all an update. But if you just want to be safe, buy the pre-mixed margarita drinks like the one I showed y'all, the dailies. Drop it right in there, and it tastes so delicious. And the thing, hold up, I'm sorry, I gotta take one more drink. Hold on. I'm slurping back here like a fat big back. The thing I like about this, as opposed to making it in a blender, no ice. So it tastes exactly the same. Now, if I made this in a blender, sometimes it gets a little watered down. Sometimes I use too much ice, not enough ice, it's too thick. This is literally perfect. Now, I can understand why it says the maximum is 64 ounces, because if you notice, all of the slushie kind of comes toward the front. And here's the thing, I only put in 50 ounces. So every drink that I make, if I got a couple of friends over, I can just add another one right into the top, into this existing mix, and this is gonna run for 12 hours. Clean up, real simple. Once everything is finished, you see on the bottom where it says rinse, all you're gonna do is pour some warm water inside of it, hit the rinse cycle, okay? Take it out. Maybe you might want to throw it through the sink or through your dishwasher, whatever you want. I don't recommend a dishwasher because dishwasher with the heating cycle, it might melt the plastic. But just run it through the sink. All right, run it through the sink. Look at this. I need a straw for this. Oh, it tastes so good. And the thing is, now this is my favorite one, the fireworks. I'm so used to this one, but I tend to make it sometimes with too much ice or not enough ice, and it kind of distorts the flavor. If you drank it straight out of the package, this is what it would taste like. Now I'm trying not to make the slurping sounds back. Hold up. Let me not make the slurping sound. Oh my God. Anyway, like I said, this is going to be a quick video. On a scale of 1 to 10, all right? On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Ninja Slushie a major go. Not to mention, y'all hear how loud it is? This is not too loud. I'm up here in complete silence. But if this was in my kitchen and I got the music on and I'm doing other stuff, this is not crazy. All right, this is not super loud. It doesn't sound like a big generator. I had my air conditioner on. I actually turned that off right now so I can record. But with the air conditioner on, the air conditioner is way louder than this. Shout out to Ninja. All right, y'all did it again. Y'all did your big one. Hold up. Bro, if you was on the fence If you was on the fence and you was now look, let me just talk about while I'm getting my little drink on. Let me just mention one more thing. I know some people are gonna say this is kind of gimmicky. You could just get a blender. Okay, you can look at it like that. But if you got a nice kitchen top counter and you got a bunch of fancy gadgets, and you know me, I'm a gadget kind of guy. I like different appliances and all that. Drop this right next to your air fryer. All right, right next to your coffee machine. All right, it looks dope. Okay, now I didn't show y'all, but on the other side, there's a little holder. There's a little holder for your the spill tray, and you see the spill tray is coming in handy. Let me have one more drink, and then I'm gonna wrap this up. I just caught a brain freeze. Anyway, Ninja Slushie, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And again, if y'all want to try, if y'all got any recipes, let me say that one more time. If y'all got any recipes, leave it in the comments. One of my dudes, I already know for a fact he's gonna comment because me and him, we've been trying to get one of these together. He got his before me. My dude, if you got any recipes that you know for a fact work, let me know. And if I figure out any dope ones, I'll let y'all know exactly. I'll try to keep it easy. Because personally, like I said, I'm not a chef, so I don't know about mixing two ounces of sugar and 2 ounces of syrup. I don't really make recipes like that. I like to just pour and go, and this is a pour and go kind of drink right here. Cheers. All right, anyway, Ninja Slushie, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.